Hi everyone, welcome to SNEC 2025 in Shanghai. And today we're highlighting a powerful solution for reliable energy independence, and that is our off-grid inverter Pulse S3. It comes with 4 and 6 kilowatt models, adapt to a diverse energy needs in residential scenarios. It also supports smart management of diverse energy inputs, including solar, battery, grid, and more. Designed just for installers, it is extremely easy to install, set up, and configure. Equipped with smart monitoring, the S3 enables real-time diagnostics and remote operation, minimizing downtime and delivering more reliable energy to your home. Safety remains our top priorities. Its built-in comprehensive protection mechanisms ensure its own longevity and the safety of connected devices. Its IP66 rated enclosure ensures a robust weather resistance, and it supports up to 2 times PV input, also delivers a max discharge current of 135 amps. Additionally, it allows parallel connection of up to 6 units, enhancing system scalability without compromising safety standards. Safe, efficient, and reliable, our Pulse S3 is your optimal choice for home energy. To learn more about this product, please visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you and see you next time.